Converting vertical videos to horizontal or square may look like a tedious task, but it needn't be. So in this video, I'll show you just how easy it is to do by using VEED. Let's start by heading to VEED and uploading the vertical video. Once uploaded, click on the settings tab in the top left corner, and under the size drop-down menu, you'll see many different options for aspect ratios. You can choose a square format for LinkedIn or Twitter, or even the Facebook post format. However, I want to make my vertical video fit into a horizontal one, so I can later upload it to YouTube. So I'm going to select the 16:9 YouTube aspect ratio. Now, I know what some of you are thinking. Whoa, that is too zoomed in. Some of you may want your vertical video to fill the entire canvas, and if you are one of those people, don't worry about the placement because we can readjust this by dragging it on the video canvas and using the middle button to show the original video. Keep readjusting until you find the desired frame. For those of you who want to make a horizontal video like my example at the beginning, click on the video in the timeline to open up the Edit Video window. Scroll down until you see round corners, click the 3 dots just below this and click Fit to Canvas. If you want to make the video slightly bigger or smaller, you can do so by dragging the corners inwards and outwards. And if you want to, you can also rotate the video too. So now we have a vertical video inside a horizontal one with black bars on the sides, which is fine, but it isn't the most aesthetic video. So we can change the color of the background, which can be useful if you are making a video for a brand. To do this, click on the settings tab again, and under the background option, click the paint bucket button and select a color. Or you can copy and paste a color code into the hex box, which again can be really helpful if you're working with brand specific colors. And if your company has provided you with brand kit assets, you can upload an image to use as a background. Speaking of images, if you are creating a video for a brand, you could upload the company's logo as an image by clicking on the Add Media button. Readjust the image and place it somewhere on the video canvas. This looks a lot better, but if you want to take your video one step further and create horizontal videos like this with a blurred background, then we need to right click and copy and paste the video in the timeline so that we now have the same video twice. From here, we need to make the video fit the entire canvas by clicking Fill to Canvas. You can then adjust the placement like I showed you earlier. To make our vertical video stand out, we need to drag the second clip underneath the original clip in the timeline. Now with the second clip highlighted in the timeline, click on the Adjust button and scroll down to find the effect options. Use the blur sliding scale to increase the amount of the blur on the video. I find that sliding it up to 100 works best. You could then add a vignette to really focus in on the main vertical video. It's also important that your audio can still be heard easily, as having both clips playing at the same time can sometimes disrupt the sound quality. Once you're happy with your edited horizontal video, click back to the Edit Video window and mute the second clip by pressing the audio button. Watch back through your video by pressing play, and if you want to make any changes, feel free. However, if you are happy with your new horizontal video, click the Done button in the top right corner and then click Export Video. Whilst VEED renders out the video, it's worth noting that with VEED's free plan, there will be a small watermark in the corner of your video. But because the main focus of your now horizontal video is actually vertical and in the middle, the watermark won't actually affect your video. When VEED has finished rendering it out, click download and then download as MP4. And that's how to make a vertical video horizontal using VEED. Now that you've learned how to resize a video, why not watch this video to learn how to use AI to make your videos more accessible to everyone by adding automatic subtitles. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.